Hello students, welcome to Pathology PYQ series. Today's most important topic is von Willebrand disease. This is a topic you might be having a small idea because in first year we already done this. So von Willebrand disease is the most common inherited bleeding disorder caused by deficiency or dysfunction of von Willebrand factor, leading to defective platelet adhesion and secondary reduction for factor 7. Basically, what happens is our platelets are able to attach, attract, stick, to the places where it is needed. When this factor is missing, they are not able to get glued, get attached. This is the crux of it. So, what definition you have to write? Von Willebrand disease is a genetic bleeding disorder characterized by decreased or defective von Willebrand factor, resulting in impaired primary homeostasis. Okay, what does von Willebrand factor do? It helps platelet adhere to damaged endothelium, and secondly, it also acts as a carrier protein for factor 8. What is the pathogenesis? Whenever there will be a deficiency, it will lead to defective platelet adhesion. And what happens when platelet would not be able to attach themselves? Bleeding would not stop. Bleeding will increase or get prolonged, which will further lead to mild reduction in factor 8. And the end result would be prolonged APTT in some cases. APTT, activated prothrombin plastin type. What are the clinical features? The easy bruising. Any small scraping of the skin will also cause bruising. Epistaxis, nosebleed. Blood comes out of the nose. Menorrhagia. Menorrhagia simply means that the menses cycle, which the menses bleeding period, which lasts to about 5 to 7 days, would be prolonged and there would be increased in bleeding. Why? Because there is no clotting factor 8. You might have remembered clotting factor 8, 9, 10, 11. All these are required. So even if one reduces, the body's ability to clot decreases significantly. What are the laboratory findings? You will find that platelet count is normal. Okay, there's no issue of platelet quantity, but there would be a prolonged bleeding time and slightly longer APTT time. Normal prothrombin time would be at the normal level and decreased levels of von Willebrand factor. How it is different from hemophilia? You have to. This is a very conceptual question. See, von Willebrand factor affect mainly platelet adhesion, whereas hemophilia affects coagulation factors. Okay, bleeding time is prolonged in von Willebrand disease, but normally in hemophilia. And hemoarthrosis was common in hemophilia, but uncommon in von Willebrand disease. What are the exam-oriented key points? It is an inherited bleeding disorder. Okay, which will lead to prolonged bleeding time.